All right, we're up in an attic doing a quick inspection here on a job we did about a week ago, a little over a week ago maybe. So when we were doing the job, they're having their furnace worked on. They said they're getting a new furnace, and that their project manager told their technicians that they're going to run a new vent line right here. So they did. They stubbed it through the roof. We flashed around it, continued on. A week later, we get a call from the homeowner saying, "Hey, where did our bathroom vent go?" I'm like, "Well, we didn't have any bathroom vents. I didn't see any flex lines, nothing like that." We did remove the box vents on the back side, the aluminum flat back vents, removed it. We didn't see anything in here that we needed to adapt to connect, couldn't tell. But they're asking about it, so I'm going to keep my brand and reputation good. We go in here to do a quick inspection. I see the layout inside the house. There is a bathroom right back there, and she did say that they were going to, I'm trying to zoom in, they were going to get a new bathroom ceiling fan put in, but we took apart the vent. Like, we removed box vents. So I'll go up here, look for it. So I see that they're gonna have it replaced. If we need to add a vent and get it through the roof, I'll do that. I'm gonna make sure this customer's happy, brand and reputation. But while I was in the house just a few minutes ago, I asked if I could see the furnace right here, and I said, are they done? You know, they put this in right here to be able to adapt to the new furnace. The furnace is not high efficient. It's still the old B-vent flue pipe, metal pipe coming out of the chimney on the furnace there. And I'm like, okay, well, all right, that's not cool. But the other thing with this pipe, look at this. It's not connected. It's not doing anything. So what's going on here? I'm not sure. I'm going to try to get some clarification on this. When I told her I was going to come up here into the attic to kind of look around, see what everything is, where it is, just going to try to pull the paperwork. I'm going to look through it and see, like, is it bait and switch? Did they say they were going to put in a high efficient, and it's obviously not high efficient? Because the HVAC technicians put a PVC pipe through the roof and said, can you roof around this? We're going to hook it up. It's not hooked up. Somewhere there's a breakdown in communication from the technician and the salesman of the HVAC company. I'm hoping to get a little clarification on this. I'm getting ready to get down out of the attic because we didn't do anything wrong, although I will make the vent come through the roof for the bathroom ceiling fan. I'm going to correct that when they get the new fan put in. Easy to flat bar a couple shingles, use a hole saw, cut a hole, drop the tube in. They can remodel what they need to do and adapt to it. Not a big deal. The furnace, however, something fishy going on here. I hope to get some more and fill you in on another video.